It is what it is. As you all know, it's all about Ajah Got Talent. The event was actually postponed from July, as you all know, and it was transferred to slated for 6th of August, and the second round is on the 13th of August. So it was really mind-blowing. The experience was super exciting, with so many young Nigerians out there to celebrate on stage with the audience. They've come to do what they know how to do best. Some are singers, some are rappers, some are comedians, and some are dancers, some are stuntmen, like the Unicycle team. This is what it is. I'll be coming up with dope clips of contestants on the stage trying to impress the judges. I still want to say shout out to MC Sweetmouth and Ovi King, the chair runner of the event. And it is what it is. It's all about the accreditation actually took some time, and the event started around 4 p.m. The accreditation was about 12, but due to the situation of our economy, you know, some people got delayed from where they're coming from. So, but everything went all fine, and it is what it is. Guys, what I want you guys to do is, if you want to see more of the videos of the event coming on, I want you to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like this program, and share for the Nigerian youth that have come to demonstrate yourself. And please, don't forget to be obedient. Let's take Nigeria in a new direction. Let's take it into the fear of the leaders, the bad leaders. They are afraid of the real people coming to tell them to stop. So let's get everything down there also. It is what it is. I love you guys. It is what it is. It's a boy City Simulate. Ekalo one contestant to go see. Let's go there.
Alright, y'all, Ajah Got Talent. We're about to get started. As you can see, we are gradually concluding the accreditation processes. So you can see all the contestants are here. So it's about time that we catch the fun, you know. We have a lot of talent in here, and everybody face the show. Everybody is looking like a winner. And right now I don't even know who is the best among the best. And so we're just getting ready. Everybody is being accredited, and we are live here at Askamaya Place. You know how we do. My name is MC Sweetmouth. Follow us on Ajah Got Talent. Let's do this alongside Color TV.
My name is Samuel Ovokironyi Apobasahan from Delta State, popularly known as Ambassador Ovi Kings of Lagos. I'm a comedian, a motivational comedian. I'm into talent, discovery, and empowerment. When it comes to talent, when it comes to comedy, when it comes to entertainment in all, I'm so passionate about positivity. So most of people call me the positivity ambassador. Also, I'm still the poker club ambassador to the Nigerian police on cultism and other vices. And I want to introduce to you the Ajah Got Talent Season 2, becoming bigger and better. You can see we have been here, accreditation has been taking place. A lot of people, youth, are determined to be something in life. So I find out that Nigerian youth are not lazy as they used to say. You can see a lot of them registered. They want to be something. We have to help them to be something. That's why Ajah Got Talent is here. And trust me, I'm going to take you around. You're going to see what is happening here. It shows Nigerian youth got something upstairs. Thank you. Then.
Adonis. Olumide Ayebade. Who be this Omega Ministry? Sorry, Omega Kevin. Please, this boy they call now. You guys don't have passport to come now and find solution to your problem.
Next superstar. Next superstar. Ajago talent. Somebody say Ajago talent. The next superstar. Ajago talent. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you have been looking for sweet mouth, this is sweet mouth. All right, my name is MC Sweet Mouth. We're about to get started the competition. Please be yourself. Be yourself. Everybody is a winner. Everybody is a winner. Like I used to tell people, this competition is not about man, no man. I don't know anybody. You see, the tag you are wearing on your neck, somebody that designed it is part of this competition. One of the accreditators here is part of this competition. So we are not favoring anybody. If you like, maybe Mama Bona, be yourself, be natural. We just need that talent. Believe me, we have a lot of record labels that are waiting to pick, including Askamaya Records. If you know the record that blows Spider Rider, it's Askamaya Records, and they are waiting too to pick someone among the finalists. So just be yourself. Come out, say whether Ojoro or no Ojoro. Like we stated, this competition is going to be judged by the judges and the audience. 50% judgment from the audience, 50% judgment from the judges. I was expecting a clap for that. I was expecting a clap. So please be yourself, be natural, and we are not playing your own song. We are giving you beats to freestyle on. If you don't need beats or you have your own instruments, no problem. If you can do your stuff without any beats, no problem. But if you need a beat, just communicate to the MC. The DJ will provide you with Afro beats, rap beats, or whatever beats you want to do. So we are just going to be asking you, what are you doing for us tonight? So please don't be in a hurry. Free your mind, be free, enjoy yourself, make contact with one another in a group. A lot of people have been saying that, come and follow me in Instagram. That's why I block contestant conversation on that group. That's why we block it. But right here now, you are free to make friends with anybody, be a helper of man no go over, go speak Oyinbo. Just get ready. The competition starts now. Thank you. The next fence is just ask event center. That's where we'll be having the finals. Many of you have seen the video of the hall, how it look like, and you can still go and check for yourself after the competition and check out our venue look like. In fact, the venue said we want you to put more effort to be in the finals. Because either you like it or not, some people are leaving us today. Yes, either you like it or not, somebody will not be qualified today to the next round. So put in your effort to be qualified to the next round. Thank you very much. Obi King. Yes, somebody.
My name is Yuri Godolabi Jeremiah. I'm at Ajag God's Talent Season 2. I heard about it from a friend of mine. Thanks to Sweet Mouth Entertainment. Told my friend and I got to hear it, and I think this is a platform for me to showcase my talent, and I'm very positive about it. Yeah, I'm seeing great talented people here, and I have this positive vibe that, you know, at least I'll get to the next round, and probably I'll get to the next round too, and I might win. Thank you very much.
Hi people of Nigeria, I'm Oyuri Bukumpa. My stage name is Lloyd Charisma. I got to know about Ajag God's Talent through a friend of mine, and I want to participate on the talent stuff, and I'm sure I'm going to be the winner. Thank you.
My name is Obiade Akemi. I am 16 years old today. I am here in Ajag God's Talent. So
Okay, all right.
Your name?
My name. Okay, what about Africa? What up Nigeria? What up Black City? They call me the king of comedy. My name is Comedian 9 years. I'm a big boy.
What are you here for, please?
I'm here for. I'm part of the organizers, and I'm representing Askamaya as entertainment manager of Askamaya Entertainment.
What's your goal here?
Oh, go ball. Every go na go. So just to see amazing talents today. So and I'll be thrilled and just see more of it tonight. All about Ajah Got Talent Season 2.
So from the dancers and the singers, who do you think should win today?
I can't say it's by their talent though. Anybody will get talent, go win. So their talent should speak for them. So that's just it.
Thank you very much.
So I wish them good luck and best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your name?
Yeah, my name is Big Chi. I'm here for Ajah Got Talent show.
How did you find out about here?
I found out about Ajah Got Talent show by a friend who told me about Ajah Got Talent show.
What are you here to do?
I'm a singer, I'm a music writer too. So I'm here for all it takes. I believe in myself that I can make it if I'm here to perform whatever I can.
What's your confidence though?
My confidence, I'll feel confidence on it that I know for me showing my talent here, I will be number one or number two. That's it. So shout out to Sweet Mouth Show for bringing this out. I'm so glad to see that. I'm Big Chi.
City Entertainment.
Shout out to Color TV, powered by City Heat Entertainment. Thank you.
Superman, are you ready? All right, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, at this junction, ladies and gentlemen, we want to talk about the sponsor, the one that brought this one to you, Ajah Got Talent Season 2, in a large quantum, in a large way. I'm talking about a man of the people, a man that believes in the youth, a man that believes in humanitarian services, the man that has employed a lot of services that have given putting food on tables. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Askamaya! Break it down. A man that has supported a lot of musicians to stand. A man that have contributed to the life of many artists to be somebody today. A man that have contributed to the economic department of Nigeria. A man that have supported people, is a humanitarian, is a man that believes in the youth, and today he is believing in talent and queuing, and that is why we have Ajah Got Talent Season 2, the next superstar. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, put your hands together once more for Askamaya again, once more. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right now we're going straight to what we got to do today. Like I said before, I'm going to call you based on your tag number. Based on your tag number. When I call your tag number, please, once you get here, if you're a rapper, it's your choice if you want to use a beat to rap or you want to rap a cappellally, you know. So it's your choice. If you have your keyboard with you, you can bring it. If you have your drum, you can bring it. If you have piano, you can bring it and do what you have to do. But make sure you follow your timing. Are you ready? Ajah Got Talent. Ajah Got Talent. Next superstar. Yeah, before we call the first contestant number one, I want you to put your hands together again for a personality in our midst. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, let's celebrate one of our superstar judges in the building tonight. Ladies, come on, put your hands together for Pastor Goody Goody. Like I said, we're just taking one or two. But please, if you be talent carrier here, I want to beg you. And you be musician, you are a singer or a rapper. I don't want to just talk about comedian now. Please, I want to advise you. Please, I beg you. Don't you ever make Igbo your source of inspiration. I beg. I beg. I beg. The people when make Igbo the source of their inspiration, when blow, they blow for 1 month, 2 days, 3 hours. They don't sell again. Hello? Because normally I was in Ikorodu for one show. You understand? I was hosting. One guy dressed with dog shit. Everywhere. If you see the guy, you know a better musician when just go flow. Normally the pressure was much in the show. The guy they call me MC, call me. I said, wait, I will call you. The guy they pressure me was pressuring me. Along the line, the guy come press 10K for my hand, say, man, you are doing well, call me. As I see the money, I said, okay, fine. Normally, I'm not having line. Now, when he come drop the money, me, I go say, okay, you know what, I go call you. In the next 5 minutes, I will call you, get ready. No, say, immediately I tell the guy, say, I go call you 5 minutes. The guy go back off stage, go begin smoking. Hello, listen, it will help you. He go and go collect, you know, say, I call he go from data. He did different. The guy just enter there and begin to they smoke. Now I go say now because of the way the guy dress. If you see the guy in Nike, everything original. Now I come use morale plus the money. When I hype this guy enter stage, God, goody. Ladies and gentlemen, up the way from. I don't even know where I want to talk again. I say UK. In the corridor, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for up to go. Everybody they clap, Then the guy comes stage. For a show like this, and the guy comes stage, he come back the audience. Hello? The guy come there sing, lay, you can pose, say, you can say. So I feel saying that the method when they start the performance. I don't think any. I want to help people. MCINS. The guy do first track, do second track. Now me don't go meet and say, bros, Alpha. You back your audience, so he say, hey, tell them where they come from. And they beg you, it's not good. Let me tell you. Okay, I won't tell you one musician when he use the gote blow. Maybe you know that guy is strong. If normal person go feel right now. DJ, do you get it? Where DJ? Now what for? DJ, you go smoke, you go backstage. Okay, yo. This guy now, maybe you know, more two and together. This one not be saying anything. Oh. More work out together. See this guy song now. Yeah, yo. DJ Blam, take banana to you, go, yo. Let's go together. Naipo, Jade Blue. Oh yeah, yo. And in the smoke, how many things you go do to you know? How many things you go do to you know? How many things you go do to you know? Now, you get that way, it's scatter. Take banana to you go to go banana to you go three. Take banana to you go four. Take banana to you go five. Take banana to you go six. Take banana to you go seven. Take banana to you go eight. Take banana to you go nine. Take banana to you go 10. Take banana to you go 11. Take banana to you go 12. Take banana to you go 13. Take banana to you go 14. Take banana to you go 15. Take banana to you go 16. Take banana to you go na mama. Can somebody carry barrel? Take banana to you go. There you go. Now listen, Igbo. That's why Steroma comes to say, if it not good for your brain, if it not good for your brain, meaning say it's not good for some people's brain, happy? How many of you like Burna Boy on the low? DJ player for me now, just do a chap, you know, say it don't be for everybody. I beg. Burna Boy, they smoking boy. I tell her, say Burna, because we were classmates before. He traveled, you know. Now you're like, sure you laugh at them. Now I tell her, say Burna, Delta State Igbo Kwale is a dangerous one. He say, come on, keep quiet there. I've gone to everywhere, man. I've gone to everywhere smoking marijuana. Marijuana is nothing now, you know. I say, bros, not be for Kwale, oh no. You know hear me, oh? That time, so now at Delta State governor win, Okowa win election. So we come to do victory concert in Delta State. They carry Burna Boy come Delta. Hey, that's short family, the building, put your hands together for short family in the building tonight, you know. All item will not be judges. So you see, now I can't tell Bonner boy, say Bonner, Kwale will not be play. They can't carry a can't do show for Asaba. Goody. We reach Asaba, I can't go tell her, say Bonner, Kwale is not here. Let's say you mean it. I said Kwale go, he said, well, let's go to Kwale. We go enter Kwale. At that time, he did write that song on the low. On the low of that song when he write on 3. Now we enter Kwale. As we enter Kwale, we go Abe. Hello, who be data boy here? When we reach Abe, now we buy the Igbo. As we buy the Igbo, man, Bonner boy, got the smoke. He got me say, I told you, nothing like marijuana can affect me in this life. I got to say, wait, Kwale only the waste time. It dey take small level. As I talk to you, as they smoke out the go, the thing come enter a pray. You come knock down, now you see one local studio. My brother, now everyone say, man, you want record for you. I say, bros, the facilities is there. I say, don't worry, it's not about the person, not about the producer of the studio. Now we enter. As we enter, now Bonner boy they write this song. When we analyze it together, DJ, yeah, low small. Now, okay, let's go. This one are the original song. Now the go enter the play. Small like the end. I know the queen act short family. Now don't stop it. Okay, see the original chorus of the song. Let me this. Angelina, Angelina. But the number song with that. They go they travel. Now, small they go. That is what we do. Number chorus. Angelina. You got me. Now, the person here the Apreguda of the Ghana. Okay, and they still go. And the next one believe. Now you want to go? No, play. Continue. See what you got now? We go into the play. You don't forget that we every at night. 1 on the low, 2 on the low, 3 on the low. Now they try to remember the fast. The fast not there again, no blank. 6 on the low. You go back to chorus. As you go back to chorus, you see the thing how you go remember the fast. Yo, you don't go remember the fast. Yo, every other blank. You go. And I pick my Angelina. You go back to on the low again. Yo. You want to confuse yourself. You know the young thing that's here. In the reason I go tell remember the vibe of the song, my brother. He go down blank, my guy. He go back on the low. Let's get again. 1, 2. On the low. 1 on the low. 2. He can't remember. Hey, God, let me now. Wait. On the low. Wait. On the low. He don't remember. He go back to chorus. He don't remember again. Angelina. He don't go back to chorus. At this point, he don't know what to sing again. He go the minor. He go call Jesus. He go call Jesus. When I cross the theater. Jesus. Now, he don't know what to go talk again. Let me do something that. Fear Igbo.
Alright, lady, we are out there. My name is Ambassador O.V. Kings, comedian of Lagos. If you can see me right now, we are on Color TV, powered by City Heat Entertainment. Don't touch your dial.
Yeah, what's up? I hope you guys have enjoyed the clip I've shared with you. It's Ajah Got Talent. As you can see, I'm running the polo. You can see the vest. So it is, as you can see, it's all about Ajah Got Talent. And right now, as I've given you some short clips from the event, what I want you guys to do now is hit the subscribe button, share, and like, and also more importantly, please leave a comment from where you're watching us from. We actually want to know who's watching us from all over the world. So it is what it is. It's all about love.